Look at my screen. When I'm typing anything on this Jupyter notebook, you can see there's an autocomplete feature which is working in the background. For example, I would like to import pandas. It helps me with certain autocomplete feature which suggests me which one to choose. Now this is very important. While you are writing code, you may not recall the exact name. So by typing few words when it comes as a suggestion, that really helps during coding. Right? So how to get this in this video? Let me show you the simple step-by-step process to get this onto your Jupyter notebook. Now before we start, let's close any Jupyter notebook instances that you might have opened. So I'm going to simply close it. Now once this is done, on your search bar, simply type Anaconda. Okay, and here you find a prompt, Anaconda prompt. Okay, open this Anaconda prompt. If you have installed Jupyter notebook using Anaconda, or else through PowerShell or using command prompts, also you can try. But again, I would recommend you to do it on the Anaconda prompt. Now, how to do it? Where is the documentation for it? Okay, so there is an extension called Jupyter. Simply type Jupyter contrib NB extension. Now, looking at the name, it generally you will have a question. What is the meaning of this contrib NB extensions? What is it? So NB extension stands for notebook. Okay, NB means notebook. Extensions. Contrib means contributed by the community for the Jupyter. For the Jupyter notebook, there is a notebook extension contributed by the community. That is the generic meaning of Jupyter underscore contrib underscore NB extensions. Okay. Now in this page, you would find the command to install from multiple different ways. One is you simply type pip install Jupyter contrib extension. Simply copy this, but you can just type it on your command on your Anaconda prompt. Okay? You can try it on the command prompt as well, but I have seen you may have some problems, so better to do it on Anaconda prompt. If not, try with command prompt. So I have given the command. Let me hit on enter. Now you can see it will take some time for it to install completely. So let it complete its process. So you can see a sentence here: installing collected packages Jupyter contrib NB extensions. So you can easily remember this: Jupyter notebook extensions contributed by the community, something like that. So here finally I got a message: successfully installed Jupyter contrib NB extension 0.7.0. Okay, so this is all done. Now what I'm going to do, I'm going to simply close this and I'm going to type Jupyter notebook. You will see this prompt, and soon after that the Jupyter notebook will start opening up. So I have landed onto the home page. Okay, now here I will select my file is actually there in the desktop. I'll select folders, and here I'll go to the desktop and Automatic Rakesh. This is my file. Now, do you know the meaning of IPYNB? What is it? I means interactive, PY means Python notebook, interactive Python notebook. Okay, so it has launched. Let me show you. Once you have installed NB extensions, just go to this NB extensions. So once you go to the NB extension, if it is disabled, simply enable it. Once you enable, just look for this hinterland. Okay, there is something written here called hinterland. What is it? If you highlight this, it gives you an explanation at the bottom. Enable code auto completion menu for every key press in a code cell instead of only enabling it with. So this is what the autocomplete feature would work for. So I'm going to simply go and enable hinterland. Okay, by doing this, now if you try to refresh the page or try to reopen the page, let me reopen it. Now let me try some code. You can see it is automatically helping me to get the code what I need. So thank you guys for watching. This is the simplest way, and please do comment if you're able to get this done on your Jupyter notebook. Do comment that you're able to get it.